Yo, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ariel, aka Abby, coming right back at you with another video. And today I'm talking little skill, little time, little hair, and of course little budget, because over here we are basically the thrift shop of amazing hairstyles. Okay, so if you are not subscribed, girl, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram, because I will be doing a giveaway for our 80K mark. Thank you guys so much for 80,000 subscribers. That is crazy, which brings me to my next point. If you're interested in winning this bomb.com lace front wig, then make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I will be giving it away. But I've been yabbering long enough. Y'all been waiting for this tutorial, so let's get straight into it.
Hey yo, it's Ari. I couldn't make it, but I can take a message.
Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is part your hair and use elastics to make the parts easier. You don't have to do this step, but if you want to do crochet, you definitely want to use elastics. If y'all watch my previous videos, you already know I did not part my own hair because the patience, I do not have it. So I of course asked my mom to just part it for me and put in the elastics. So this is the hair I'll be using. Again, this is sponsored by Princessa Beauty Supply. I got all my Marley hair from them, and I found this extra features here in my house, but you could also get this from Princessa. I will list all the hair in the description box below with all the links and the coupon code and everything, so don't even worry about it. I'm using this edge control, or this pomade from Princessa as well. It's the EBIN pomade. Again, the link will be in the description box. The only thing about this pomade is it has an amazing hold, but there is a lot of white residue, which you probably saw when I showed the previous clip as well. That's like my only criticism with it, but it is a really strong hold, especially if you can't, you know, necessarily twist and braid as well as I can. You need something that's really gonna lock in that hair. So that's what this product did for me. But again, my only critique is that it has a lot of white residue, as you can probably see. But I'm gonna go ahead and crochet in this hair as simply as you saw it. You pull one side through, so you have like this tug of war effect going on, and then you're just gonna twist. I've been told by my mother that I twist weird, so I am probably twisting wrong. I don't know how that happened. It got hooked up with the other twist. Y'all, I'm a mess when it comes to hair, but the point is it came out good in the end. So don't worry about the in-betweens. We ain't perfect, but we can definitely pull this off. So I went ahead, and as I'm twisting, I'm using the EBIN pomade to help me get a good tight hold on this thing. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how much hair I use. So in the Marley hair, it comes in these little pieces. So I ended up using just 2 of those pieces. And then I took 1 strand of the features here and kind of fluffed it out and put it with the Marley hair. And that's the only amount of hair I used for each twist, because I didn't want the twist to be too chunky. And now, as you can see, I'm extending it because I wanted the curly hair to come down longer than the Marley hair. And that's what's going to give this fusion Marley, I'm calling it fusion twist because it's really a twist, a fusion between passion twist and Marley twist. And I feel like it just gives it a more cute look, more bohemian look. So I'm going through the same process over and over again. Y'all, this is such a quick process. I make sure to put the edge control or the pomade in my natural hair to get that frizz down. I did blow out my hair to make it a little bit more straight, but you can do it in its natural texture depending on how well you can tame your hair. My hair isn't that easy to tame, so you know. As you can see here, I am pulling out a strand or a piece of the curly hair just to get that bohemian goddess braid kind of look. I did not do this for all the twists. I only did it for select twists because I wanted to give like that variation of the curls being at the bottom and at the top or in between the twists as well, just to give it a little bit of a messy look. So yeah, I just kept repeating this process, and I really finished so quickly. I would have finished faster if my siblings weren't in the room and we were laughing and talking up a storm. But you can finish this style in an hour if you're a pro, less. If not so much of a pro or in between, I don't know, it may take you more, but it just took me about an hour, and y'all, I take forever doing things. So this is really easy, and I did this style because I just didn't want to wear a wig anymore. Wigs, they're easy, but yet they still take a lot of maintenance, and I didn't want to be tying on my hair anymore, and I didn't want to do braids because that's I have to leave it in too long, and I didn't want to do crochet again because I didn't want to have to take care of it at night. So I was like, let me just do some twists, and that's what I did. And I had for a solid, these could last up to 3 weeks, but I kept these in for 2 weeks, and I was so happy because I didn't have to touch my hair. It was so easy. I just woke up in the morning, did my face, and I didn't do anything to my hair. It was so easy. So if you want a really quick hairstyle that you can rock, this is it for you. These cuffs you can also get at Princessa. They're so cute. I find they add like this really nice, I don't know, they just added something to it. So that was it. That is all. This video is really short because the process was short. I don't know how else to extend this video. So I really like how it came out. Let me know what you think. I actually ended up wearing it in a high ponytail like 95% of the time because that was my favorite look. But yeah, that is it. In other news, the giveaway that I mentioned in the beginning, you guys can definitely win this Body Wave 24-inch 100% human Brazilian hair lace front wig. I love this wig. Check out the description box for all the details, and may the odds ever be in your favor. I said that wrong. May the odds be ever in your favor. I try to be Hunger Games. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out the description box for all the details on how you can win this wig, and I will catch y'all really, really soon in the next crochet hair video. Peace.